Let's learn about how to make chickpea and beetroot hummus. First is chickpea. You wash them and soak them overnight. At the end of overnight soaking, they look something like this. Okay. Now, after that, you just put the salt and pressure cook them. After pressure cooking, they will look something like this. Now, the ingredients are the beetroot, which is again steamed after peeling it. Then you require your chickpeas, which I have already told, pods of garlic around 5 to 8. You require curd. I usually use a homemade curd. You require cumin seeds, maybe around 1 teaspoon. It's always better to roast them before using. Salt to taste. You require lemon juice. Now the taste depends, or how much depends upon your taste for the tangy, your preference for the tangy taste. Okay, the sesame seeds are these also I have roasted them till they are very nice aromatic. Once you roast them, you to cool them down to normal temperature, that is the room temperature, and then put them in the mixie jar and just pulse them till they form a fine paste. Now this fine paste I am going to add in the humus later on. Okay, you can also add groundnuts if you wish to. Now this is the steamed chickpeas, which I have then ground in the mixer to a fine paste. After grinding it, add the beetroot, which is steamed and cut into small pieces. Add to this the sesame seed powder, the curds around 3 to 4 teaspoons. You can add curd later on in case you wish to make the consistency. I'm adding the olive oil here. I'm adding actually coconut oil and olive oil, both the things I've added. This is the cumin seeds which were roasted. The salt to taste as per your preference. Okay, I have mixed all these things in the jar. After that it becomes a paste like this, to which I'm adding the lemon at the end, and this is our final chickpea hummus.